So here I am at the Makaira factory in New Zealand, checking out the 26 that we've gotten built. I've seen several pictures of it during the process, but it's good to get my hands on it in person. So on the back of this one in particular, we've got two Mercury 225s. And I think it's the first one they've done with twin 225s on a 26. So the color of the boat in person is more my style, the lighter gray, and of course with black engines and little black details here and there with the gray, it really sets it off. So if you hadn't told me this was a 26-foot boat, I would think it was a much larger boat. Yeah, so when you've got them in the raw here, you can really see all the attention to detail that goes into it during the process. It's not just covered up at the end, everything is quality, quality, quality through the whole build. I'm anxious to get some customers out on this boat and maybe do a little fishing on it. Maybe put it through some tournaments, put it through its paces and really see what it's made out of. So I've really enjoyed getting to see our 26 that we've got in build in person. If you'd like more information, reach out to me, Dan at Brown Dog Marine, and I'll let you know how it's coming along and when we expect to take delivery, when you can hop on and take a sea trial.